So it should be starting in a minute, you know. Oh, what's up, y'all?
What's up, y'all? Mechacon 2021. My name is Ashton Baptiste. That's my Facebook. My Instagram is Ashton365. All right, I'm a comic book writer. Follow me.
All right. Uh-oh. All right. And they're about to do the Cupid Shuffle. Hey, how y'all doing? Y'all on the show? Yeah, he on the YouTube show. Facebook Live as well. All right. So how y'all feel about the last Mechacon?
Yeah, I feel really sad because I come here for free every time.
Oh.
I feel very sad though.
Yeah, and there's Comic-Con going on in January.
Yeah, that is true.
But let's keep our fingers crossed and hope and pray that they have another convention to take Mechacon's place.
Yeah.
All right. The Dominoes 7 show, y'all. All right. And they're doing the Cupid Shuffle. Nah, welcome. My first time hearing this song was on Radio Disney. Yeah, I listen to Radio Disney. I have to mention Spice One, but Spice One, if you're watching this, what you think of this? You know, my family is watching this year. You know. Say, how y'all feel about the last Mechacon? All right, y'all on the show right now. Oh, hello. I think they're gonna have Comic-Con though. I love these happy faces, you know. God is good all the time. Oh, I almost ran to you. I'm sorry. Mine's going on YouTube. Y'all can watch it a lot. Oh, I'm sorry. Keep on doing it, y'all. Keep going. All right. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Y'all did good. Y'all on the show right now. The Domino 7 show. Make sure y'all watch yourselves again. All right. So how y'all feel? Yeah, but I know y'all sad that it's the last one.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So make sure y'all watch the show. Yeah. the Dominoes 7 show Mechacon one last time. All right. Oh, they about to do another dance. Yeah. Oh, the cha-cha slide. It's the cha-cha slide, Casper, aka Mr. C. How y'all doing? Oh. The cha-cha slide came out in 2000. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. Not this time. The stump. That stump. Tell ya, y'all. Get funky.
One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right.
Crisscross.
Real smooth. Let's
Go to work. Come back now, y'all. 2 hops this time. Oh my God. Another booty shaking on my show. How about that? Look. Back now, y'all. What's time? Everybody clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap. How about that? That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. How low can you go? You can go down low. To the top. Top. Like you never stop. Top. One hop. Put this stuff. That's the cha-cha slide by Casper. It came at the C. Reverse. Yeah. Charlie Brown, huh? Whoever that is. I'm out of here too, y'all. Peace. All right. Yeah, it was very awesome, you know. So, that's it for now. Thank y'all for watching.